Hey guys, Nathan here. I want to introduce you to the Deco Backplates, a few of our simple switches, and then just a couple tips that's going to help you save time. Let's talk about the backplates first. Every Deco backplate is universal, regardless whether it's a single pole, three-way, or four-way. You're going to use the same backplate, and you're just going to hook the wires up in a different configuration. Every single Deco backplate comes shipped with a single pole simple switch installed in it. Deco makes these single pole switches. We also make a universal single pole, three-way, and four-way switch that's all the same SKU. So after installing a backplate, if this is in a 3- or 4-way location, you'll remove the single pole switch and install the Deco 3-way, 4-way switch, and you're done. It's a piece of cake. Another thing about these backplates I really appreciate as an electrician is that it's one solid unit. Whether it's a single gang, 2 gang, all the way up to 4 and 5 gangs, it's a solid unit, which means when you screw that to the wall, you're not messing with every switch to get them lined up. You screw it to the wall, pop the faceplate on. Every Deco backplate also has a double neutral lug on it, which means if you like, you can create little jumpers and jump in between switches. You can see on this one here, I have one neutral in, and then I daisy chained the rest of the switches for a neutral. Obviously, this only works if you're sharing neutral across all 4 switches. Keep your eye out for some more videos that get a little bit more technical on how to hook these up. Looking forward to working with you.